In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as a CRM with Crmble. Whether you're new to Trello or an experienced user, transforming your Trello board into a client relationship management tool can be a game changer for your business processes. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll need to navigate to Trello. Simply open your browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a login screen, which is your gateway to accessing your Trello account. Now, you have a couple of options to log in. You can either use your email and password or opt for logging in through Google or Microsoft accounts, depending on which options you've previously set up. Choose the method that suits you best and enter the world of Trello. After successfully logging in, it's time to select one of your Trello boards. If you're using Trello for the first time, you can create a new board, but today we'll focus on using an existing board and transforming it into a CRM. Click on the board that you wish to use as a CRM. Now it's time to add a power-up, which is essentially an app that integrates directly into Trello to expand its functionality. Specifically, we're looking at Crmble, which will allow us to set Trello up as a CRM. To add Crmble, look for the Power-Ups section, typically found at the top of your board. Click on it, search for the Crmble Power-Up, and enable it on your selected board. Once Crmble is installed, it will assist you in setting up a basic sales pipeline. This is structured through lists that represent different stages of your sales process. Common stages you might consider include new lead, cold, warm, hot, won, and lost. Feel free to customize these lists to fit your unique sales funnel, ensuring it complements your workflow. Next, let's talk about the heart of your CRM, contacts or deals. In Trello, each card on your board will represent a unique contact or deal. For each card, make full use of Crmble's custom fields to enter essential details. Fill in fields with information like the contact's name, their contact details, the source of the lead, expected deal value, and any other specifics that are critical to your sales strategy. As you interact with your contacts and they progress through your sales cycle, you can actively move their respective cards through the lists, representing each stage they've reached. This visual representation keeps things simple and shows you where every deal stands at a glance. Crmble also integrates with powerful tools like Google Forms, Typeform, and Zapier, which can significantly boost your CRM's functionality by automating tasks like lead capture and other processes. Lastly, keeping track of your sales progress is crucial. Crmble provides reporting features within Trello, allowing you to effortlessly monitor metrics such as sales progress and close rates. By leveraging these insights, you can make informed decisions to improve your sales strategy and overall business performance. And that's how you can turn Trello into a fully functional CRM using Crmble. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get started on managing your contacts and deals more effectively.